Hey all, Chris Bassett here, and I'm going to show you how to hide your subscriber count on your YouTube channel. Let's get into it. So I tried to get to the settings menu on the mobile version. I couldn't figure that out, so it has to be the desktop version. YouTube added the ability to hide the subscriber count after a lot of creators were requesting it. So you'll want to find the Customize Channel button on your home page. Go ahead and click onto that. And then you'll want to select the Settings option from the menu on the left-hand side. And then once you're inside the Settings menu, you want to highlight the Channel option. That will then bring up a sub-menu, and those items include Basic Info, Advanced Settings, and Feature Eligibility. We're looking to go into the Advanced Settings, and then from here, you're going to go ahead and scroll down to where it says Subscriber Count. There's a box that's checked that says display the number of people subscribed to my channel. You can just go ahead and unhighlight that and then hit the save button in the lower right hand corner. Now when your channel's viewed, you won't have a number displaying the amount of subscribers you have. Myself, personally, I don't mind showing how many subscribers I have. What's funny is YouTube actually recommended that I make this video, and I'll give you a quick tutorial on how to do that in my next video. Hey, check out this other video right here. Links in the description to save some cash, so check those out. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. If this was helpful, hit the like button. Thanks.